Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, two poles of heights 32 meters and 60 meters stand vertically on a plain ground. If the distance between their feet is 45 meters, find the distance between their tops. Let AB and CD be the two poles of height 60 meters and 32 meters. Then we have given the distance between their feet is 45 meters. We have to find the distance between their tops, means we have to find the distance between A and C. Let us write first what is given here. Here we have given that two poles AB equals to 60 meter and CD equals to 32 meter, and distance between two poles is BD, which is 45 meter. Then create a line segment CE, which is parallel to the line BD. So AE equals to AB minus CD, which is 60 minus 32 means 28 meters. Now in right angle triangle AEC, in right angle triangle AEC, suppose this point is E, AC square is AE square plus EC square, that is 28 square plus 45 square. So it is 2809. So after taking square root on both the sides, we get AC is 53 meters. AC will be 53 meters. So distance between their tops is, hence distance between their, means top of the pole, is 53 meters. So our correct option is option B, which is 53 meters.